Common.
Okay, me that say be brave. But me sure say you winning now. You better then Yamren so near game now.
Of course.
Game,
I know they actually Mujiba.
Yes, me that say. Onim, first of all, what's here FIFA president and someone all can. Ne kasa na the excitement a womb. The upcoming competition. Me rain fi so a lot of sponsors. Inti say oh yeah idea. At least one in as much as our original product in hono. I say original sponsors and so interest eh. E nunti na eba issue of World Cup na. Aya na baby ebe host competition na kra no. Rich almost factor no into play very critically in terms of security, in terms of same book and infrastructure, BBR because I just only say a product and kwa kekenti Dia oye no oye de asiuti won kwa ho nemum also timi appease on sponsors and so to say ye tia no ma ye show yes ye show but show na ye no rich ye tia say ye nyam fa ma ye ho ye de ama an audience at the same time no ye dwen sponsors and so omon so e sponsor show no or say adwuna omon so interest no sa na football no FIFA competition ye ba so ete ti rich say unya nipa motor tickets over 6 million. Definitely a chance tournament in a bear crab. And I know see idea about Kuana a hero mopa into all the time. Say FIFA edgina or person of thinking outside the box. Said your enemy mano. A crime or befa so idea bema enthusiasm interest no. As also cost some more. Na ama ne sports in the game no I am more appealing. And non the drew baby I almost say afeno. Na expansion na bem na free 24 teams na baba bedru 32 na gu so expand me sure say we no baby baba bedru kra no expansion na asan bai one share kra e bia the subsequent tournament kra no e mu besan abie more because more na wunya more countries on board no more nso na interest nso egu so a air so higher and higher inti wa factors ani amari nyina ti e ka ho e na amene ye hu set ticket no ababa bedru say na rich secondly say oh can World Cup no there can one asami ababa bedru ticketing so far yenye over 6 million yenton ye yo o hwe ebo na one game utu about $650 e bi kra black market kra no rich e bi be ko $800 to $1,000 yenton ye na so far yenya sa ticketing oni ma dia me hu rich de me hu ne say countries na nso a omo host World Cup no in a way enso e play a key role. Unya a nation like the US of A. Na o hosti a wiase nyina. Rich o hosti wiase nyina no. One, the nation US of A are very appealing. At the wiase. Unim say in terms of security, in terms of BBI, in terms of infrastructure, they will pay be a Bema World Cup. When you say excitement, no, almost the Bema. Or a nation like Canada, peace, security, said you obe enjoy what US, no. Unim say also obe enjoy sani amani nyina. And to such nations, no, we are seeing now open nations are amount for even would love to go on tourism. Definitely the US of A, ebe first. Yeah. Canada, ebe falling within the top 5. Ebe count, they count in terms of tourism. Ebe falling within the top 5. Bia, ba kwa, said appealing, ebe Mexico. Especially about World Cup grand issues na free honum no. But generally, even with sa two countries you can rich interest no ebe cost 3 year pa. I can say be a one nation host and even a nation no in terms of infrastructure, pedigree, in terms of same program, security arrangement and all that no. We mo edebe man unya free sa enti no enya mo say edu stage C and reach me a sure say sa tournament we ye bear business pa or tournament we mu say make a business a otiase business ebe ko yie pa sa tournament we mu na dia ba ko nso a rich na me share me tie the FIFA president Eka na me share had to do with referee no issue no on say FIFA president Eka dey bi na was say yete na see yie pa nso say sanso na tie America a sovereign nation. Oh, the battery ma on my ordine ho. Oh, product. Yes, I am pa a lobby and sana odemano. Because na enyo no nko na epe. Said the Canada mu na lobby no. O lobby and sana ode airman. But then rich, what the man say on no and come on no dino. Definitely a by issue of the security on to me and Brenner and yet just a month-long competition. And no so as a nation. And what's dear beer ne citizenry or do Obama akwaja. And at the same time, the oil and yet just about American citizens no protect you or more. Or protect you we are seeing na yeah about tournaments no more baho. No protect it, including FIFA now, or protect FIFA and any sponsors. And see, I was said yet two or more say. Sir Ote referee no America for any reasons or the buy. And your reasons I'm a person because of Sir Edina and I'm in person mebo or a fidie so. But don't see reasons or the buy and a reason or the buyer. Very tangible. A tasum on to tuni security I say. And yes, in as much as your person products no. A hostie America for actually some the capacity. So bet me a hostie and product no. Ye jitum. But about now, we should be able to create that distinction between hostie and product. And they say, yeah, bet me as some radiamano. Be the customs and traditions, or bet me as a san kakra. The very moment we nation abejatum say me hostie World Cup no. Rich, your enyama bakumi no just like say good. Unya do Qatar, ebia omamamre ne omamane niema bia anka eman no empe no. Because of say wajiatum say hostie World Cup no. Onim say ye dia in the way nso no ebetimi awo nsunsuanso baako mienu na mamre ne na mane because obi mpensa but honum so obi nso bekwa ne nsa saa niema ne de normal. But rich a bus security na nkasa say ade ebetimi ade oman security atoto dia. Trust you me no okay, so Jude my musawi as much as me no me na ye jitum say America right Gianni Infantino asema all can legit no yes
obi so betimi akase okay say World Cup no sebi yan sorry daba akota na ye sorry ya na say World Cup ni call America
okay anya daba akọ.
Secondly yedim say amai bi wono ma America kase kromafo ntimi mfiri ho e ma America kronim which ni enim say Somalia ka
that
good in the time FIFA for no almost selected referees on bako akodi a games no first of all me say dey openi no omu so fi kromo edna no munim so say ontimi travel nko US enti e ban say ena chinchine a nipa amunim say ontimi travel nko US and chinchine amuzo nko US nko the game.
Rich, a very good question and will be sad
because papa said we onye boni bia me a referee and you're placing on record 2025 or a best referee.
Oh, certainly.
Africa henina referees down na yard
yeah. Rich, by virtue of that, no, a mania qualified say was a World Cup because he paying elite referees now or number one, so automatically we are qualified. Based on that, FIFA nim say or better competition. However, the omo agene ankoso ene say America mrano esi say me ba when your point me sure say dey ba ko e bia FIFA na come akwa exercise excitement na ejina mu ninti no e bia ye bit oversight
okay
ene say na America ba be host competition no so mo discuss sa na ma ni ye kra say nations bay and omo ye debarred from entering the American soil or san ko mu disa anko ni nyina. Apparently FIFA thought say because say America a hosti areas no hence obebie ne pono ato honom e dia ma obia forgetting say one no one mra wahyehye oso de nkrofo bi ato red alert we dey as nkrofo ne de sa na onom ti because you yenye say referee e bia reti e bia nanka there could have been an exception to the rule. I didn't na make us referee no occur with a diplomatic passport.
Yeah.
They felt say with diplomatic passports, no, they could have made certain arrangements. My referee no I eligible say obira honum. But a hanum so na bisa say FIFA na mu na nkasan effort be na ono nso emeki during that period. And so make effort be in ensuring sanka referee ni benya akwanya ura krum honum. Response be na free America for by because clearly per the American intelligence no air cano. HS ye nipa no as an ordinary referee or an elite referee. CAF says on their standard the bad issue of referee na on their standard. But beyond said ye nipa no. The other side yenim. Yenim the private life. Eye honum so no so cho say the private life no no investigate no. E pose a risk to no America man. Rich person what you say. So e pose a risk enti FIFA no ashe as a referee no na air CAF yen standard. Enti untimi enka say oh such a competition because definitely omo was our standard no. Omo ne ade omo ko. Enti definitely ono do qualified. But any FIFA any obliged yo the onus no it is not on FIFA. So be investigating about the private life of the referee. And here honum na issue of America no as a nation out de ne ho. And the security air paramount e de man no. E honum na ne de ani bam. And here honum na no so say why any checks and utie. So utie asem ni ya. And yes sir referee no every Somalia na Somalia that's how red e ne so alert ne so no. Enye no. Per the Americans ne kan kire say yes, according to our intelligence. According to our intelligence,
or belonging to the
body. And yes, and kebet me consider though you nim say our country no, country or muntimi my krum. Nanso and kebe consider my referee no aba. For now, me know you nim Iran issues are air cosmebo. See nim issues no if I make a hu ye pa. But rich, a form hu ye ni ade. Aye hu omo so retaliation ni ade we ko na we to mane we na we so ato amane we die e ko nyina no ye hu no rich ni nyina mu me patcho say Iran national team e kwa akwakobobo
sure
see end na omo visa
no
enti anka o kapampa for na anka omo anka be pose threat kese pa no sanke Iran me patcho me boa but ye mo akwan so omo nkonkonkobo before team na ekono ya say investigate about omo private life o ya nhwe say because we mo footballers for now yenim de air koso enti Iran na mu sa tension na wo ho no ye mo ma and I say initially crowd kai say World Cup no before ba na de ye tetene say one sha Iran on kwa na Iran enko enti ya man for say analysis has to nation likely say obetimi awram say Iran ankwa enti we ma Iran kwan e dey na be say rich two case Somalia e qualify so be kwa World Cup na because of SAR red alert na edaho. But the point is that Ankomo be investigating about more bano.
Every individual.
Be investigating. I double sure say pose a security threat to their nation, which we need to respect that.
I know it goes beyond American Kwa.
Yes.
Because you ayala to so okoka. Sebi. So at the stadium ho na bibi ko stadium ho ayala so obey
affected. Tell me see any America for us.
Security no sabi any American kwa na ebo omo bo bia oba kro no. Obi a ho wa uti kro ye bo obi. It's America I mean omo legitimate. Obi me the only problem am wo and it say Sanya we I think na FIFA nim.
Oh, they knew it, of course.
So what I say? Yes. It's there say come a way to solve it.
And I rich mean no. Na any American kwa country bianca bebo World Cup ni bibia no. E de o nkrofo a omo ba ni krom obe a bit uncomfortable. Was say or yet research about sankrofo ni you investigate into to. Me pa to the Nhyira say. Yes. So obi obi because obi anim said the bia Ghana kwa ye be scrutinize ye niema kwa ye bia stress bia ye de obi say obi ofri Somalia eba obi ofri Iran eba no sa stress no Ghana emfa musa eno nche say ye background checks about you ye beye but for some reasons onum pose threats ema no nti how obeye wo niema no will be different to reach yenti sa de na say hanom no America anya bone FIFA nso ono nso no anka onye bone o feel say CAF or elite referee also about competition but checks America so why any checks or any checks no ohun say papa no e belong to ekuo bi okay nti we need to respect that right quite unfortunate because nanka me pesa Africa sa platform na what him say 1998 World Cup finals aye boy no it was an African referee did the grand finale side Ahmed Bokula so bekaya odi game ni pa France ne Brazil odi entia ye pese hu se yen referees ne so no sa level no omo kona nkomu draw omo atimi perform na eti anim ti ya say for now referee no number 1 e wa Africa onko bi but me blame you obia yeah appreciate America for
before eba di anime game Mexico South Africa no in a nutshell what expectations they saying World Cup next starting na enko ayala ho a novel idea and aba so me expect it and especially yeah can't baby a civilization na wo yie pa ni bie pa certain loan to me America in free na wunyi Canada enso in free Mexico me wo ana me on reservation kakra based on how omo ye omo near maybe but me feel say open one nation so encourage football the passion or there said your odo di my game so in terms of passion they trust you me Mexico for no
Mexico US enter no Canada enter no and only there especially the iconic Azteca Stadium ye ni me ho abakosem and all that and me expect say ye benya a very good World Cup a very memorable one with innovations asanso abem new innovations abem ni ade no ebema agro no aye there and minim say opening ceremony no certainly a bear crab and the competition itself nankasa generally will be more exciting than the previous World Cups that we've had to witness so far into media certainly minim say emu bede fa bro
ani Jude Bafo and Martin Insurance 4.5 and World Cup discussions na edi emamo awo ejumedi so me ko bisma ko usu bempa